Slovak Prime Minister Robert Fico's life was threatened in a shocking turn of events when he was critically injured in an assassination attempt on Wednesday. The assailant, identified as Juraj Cincula, aged 71, reportedly expressed strong dissent against Fico's political decisions, particularly regarding Slovakia's stance on arms shipments to Ukraine. Interior Minister Matu Sutaj Estok revealed that Cincula had a history of protesting against various government policies, including the closure of Special Prosecutor's Office and the suspension of military aid to Ukraine. Fico, known for his critical stance on Western involvement in the Ukraine war, campaigned on a platform promising to halt armed deliveries to Kyiv. Following his election victory last year, he proceeded to fulfill this promise, a move that drew ire from some segments of the population. Cincula's actions were allegedly motivated by his disagreement with these policies, leading to him carrying out the attempted assassination. Describing Cincula as a lone wolf with no affiliation to extremist groups, Minister Estok emphasized the perpetrator's apparent frustration with the government decisions. He further highlighted that the recent presidential election, which saw the victory of Peter Pellegrini, an ally of Fico, may have accelerated Cincula's actions. Both Pellegrini and incumbent President Zuzana Kapitova had condemned the attack, viewing it as a direct threat to Slovakia's democratic principles. Cincula reportedly has a background as a former security guard at a shopping mall, as well as being an author of 3 poetry collections and a member of the Slovak Society of Writers since 2015. In response to these revelations, the association announced on Facebook that if the individual's identity as the alleged shooter is confirmed, his membership will be promptly revoked. An undated video posted on Facebook and verified by Reuters shows the suspect attackers expressing disagreement with the government policies. Additional political statements made by the individual have been found on social media platforms. In one video from 8 years ago, he expressed concern about global violence, weapon proliferation, immigration, and extremism, mentioning his involvement in founding a movement against violence in Levis. The shooting incident coincided with parliamentary discussions regarding the government's proposal to dissolve the Slovakia Public Broadcaster (RTBS). Despite the recent public protests against the proposed reform of the broadcaster, an opposition-led demonstration scheduled for the same day as the shooting was cancelled following the news of the attack. This incident has sent shockwaves across the nation and even Europe, prompting concern about the political stability and safety in Slovakia. Meanwhile, Fico's condition remains to be serious as the country awaits a date for their prime minister.